Calling Internal Reference Service, how can I help? We call you to ascertain your attorney information that there is a legal allegation and a lawsuit has been filed against you by Internal Revenue Service. Are you aware of the situation? Let me tell you that my name is Kara Wood with badge ID number 25101992. As per the documents, we conduct a confidential audit on your tax file for the year of 2010 to 2015, and we found that there was a miscalculation error for the taxes that you filed does not match the tax record that we have. So it seems that you are trying to defraud with the government. So according to section 101, that amount is still outstanding on your name which you have not paid or that you have miscalculated. For that reason, the local authorities with arrest warrant will be at your place, your driving license will be cancelled, and everything under your name, such your property, your bank account will be seized. Now, the total outstanding amount on your name is $8,219, which includes your pending taxes, legal charges, and late fees. So, sir, did you do this intentionally or was?
Alright, so get ready, sir. You will have to go to your bank in order to withdraw this fund in terms of cash, because your bank people are not aware you are having trouble with the government. If they come to know that you're having problem with the government, they will register a complaint against your name at the law enforcement for further investigation, and you will no longer be able to use any kind of money. Alright?
Hello, it has been detected that you are a scammer. Because of this, we are now flooding your phone lines to prevent you from scamming additional people. This will not stop until you stop.
Revenue Service, can I help you?
Hello, it has been detected that you are a
अरे
scammer.
तेरी माँ
Hello, it has been detected
Hello.
that you are a scammer. Because of this, we are now flooding your phone lines to...
Please leave a message after the beep.
Hello, it has
I'm
been
sorry,
detected
this
that you
mailbox
are a
is full.
scammer. Hello, it has been detected that you are a scammer. Because of this, we are now flooding...
This is
Hello,
Jason
it
Brown
has
from
been
the IRS.
detected
How can I
that
help
you are a
you?
scammer. Hello, it
You
has
have
been
reached
detected
the
that you
Internal
are a
Revenue
scammer.
Service.
Because of this, we are now flooding your phone lines to prevent you from scamming additional people. This will not stop until you stop.
Thank you.
Hello, it has been detected that you are a... Hello,
This is
it has been
Jason Brown
detected
from the
that you
IRS.
are
How
a
can I help
scammer.
you?
Because of this, we are
Who
now
told you?
flooding your phone lines to prevent you from scamming additional people. This will
Who
not
are
stop
you, first
until
of all?
you stop.
I'm asking your name.
Thank you for calling IRS. How can I help you? Hello?
Call rate. Hello, it has been detected that you are a scammer. Because of this, we are now flooding your phone line.
This
Hello,
is Jason
it has
Brown
been
from the...
detected that you are a
They are
scammer.
detected वाले कितने नंबर से
Because
कॉल
of
आ
this,
रहे
we are now flooding your phone lines. This will not stop until you stop.
हैं? लंडे के पन्नों पे
Hello, it has been detected that you are a
मैंने
scammer.
लिखा है
Because of this, we
100
are now flooding your
दफा
phone lines to prevent you from scamming additional.
लंडे का
Hello, it has been
Thank you,
detected
thank
that
you.
you are a scammer. Hello, it has been detected that you are a scammer. Because of
sir.
this, we are now flooding your phone lines to... Hello, it has been detected that you are... Hello, it has been detected that you are a scammer.
It has been detected, then
Because
it's
of this,
nice
we are
of
now
you.
flooding your phone lines to prevent you from
Hack my
scamming
server.
additional people.
Hack
This
my
will not
server
stop
for
until you
last.
stop.
Hack my server for 1 month.
Hello,
I can
it has
give you a
been
number of
detected that- Hello, it has been detected that you are a scammer. Because of this, we are now flooding your phone lines to prevent you from scamming additional people. This will not stop until you stop.
Hello, it has been detected.
Hello, it has been detected that
Hi.
you are a scammer.
It has been
Because of this,
detected
we
you
are
are
now
trying to fuck
flooding
me
your
up.
phone lines to
So,
prevent you from
I'm gonna
scamming
block the
additional
number.
people. Hello,
You
it
read
has
the-
been detected that you are a scammer. Because of this,
Oh
we
my
are now
God.
flooding your phone lines. This will not stop until you stop.
Until you stop. Yes, I.
A scammer. Because of this,
You
we
are
are
a
now
scammer.
flooding your phone lines to prevent you from scamming
We are
additional
just flooding your phone
people.
line.
We will block your phones
This
for
is
as
Jason
long
Brown
as
from
we
the
can.
IRS.
Every minute you are on the phone with one of my bots, another person doesn't get scammed. We will now increase the
Yes,
call rate.
you can do that. You can do that. I have no problem
Hello,
for
it
that.
has
But let
been
you know
detected
that
you
you
are
will
a
increase
scammer.
the call. Then I will just.
Because of this, we are
I
now
will just
flooding.
call-
Hello, it has been detected that you are a scammer.
अरे नील भाई यार
Because of this, we are now flooding
नील
your
भाई,
phone lines.
एक
to
कॉल
prevent
छोड़ के
you
एक
from
कॉल
scamming additional people.
वॉइसमेल करके एक
This will
फोन आ
not
रहा है
stop until you stop.
बोले दिस कॉल हैज बीन कुछ बोल रहा है समझ में नहीं आ रहा बेंचो बोले दिस इज स्कैम कॉल वी नो दैट वॉइसमेल है अलग अलग नंबर से आ रहा है बेंचो एक कॉल छोड़ के एक कॉल आ रहा है
Hello, it has been detected that you are a scammer. Because of this, we are now flooding
Yes,
your
I know
phone
I'm a
lines
scammer
to
and I'm
prevent
proud
you
of to
from
be a
scamming
scammer,
additional
motherfucker.
people Until you stop.
Yes. Fucking scammer,
Hello,
yes.
it has been detected that you are a scammer.
Hello.
Hello, it has been detected that you are a scammer. Because
Yes,
of this,
I am
we
a
are now
scammer,
flooding your phone
motherfucker.
lines to prevent you from scamming additional. You are a scammer. Because of this, we are now flooding your phone lines to prevent you from scamming additional.
Service, how can
This will not stop until you stop.
fuck off?
To prevent you from scamming. Because of this, we are now flooding.
It has been
your phone
detected that we are
to
scammers.
prevent you
It's
from
okay.
scamming
Publish
additional
that in
people.
Forbes magazine, mother show.
We will.
I'm gonna fuck you
Hello,
up,
it has
motherfucker.
been detected that you are
Don't
a
fuck
scammer.
up with me, okay?
Because of this, we are now flooding
You
your
gotta
phone
run
lines
scared on
to
doors. I'm
prevent
gonna
you from
shoot you in
scamming
your head,
additional people.
motherfucker.
This will not stop until you stop. We will
Calls
block your
are
phone
pending,
for
my
as
boy.
long. Hello, it
Yeah.
has been detected
Fuck
that
you,
you are a
Bancho.
scammer. No people.
Fuck you,
This
piece
will
of
not
shit.
stop until.
Fuck you, piece
Hello,
of
it
shit.
has been detected that.
Fuck you.
Hello, it has.
बेंचो किसकी कॉल आ रही है?
Hello,
Fuck you,
it has been
motherfucker.
detected that scammer. Because of this,
You
we
are a
are now
fucking
flooding
piece of
your phone
shit.
lines to prevent you from scamming additional people. This will not stop until you stop.
Fuck you.
Hello, it has been detected that you are a scammer. Because
Yes,
of this, we
सुनना
are
लग
now
रहा है।
flooding your phone lines to prevent you from scamming additional people. This will not stop until you stop. Hello, it has been detected that you are a scammer. This will not stop until you stop scamming additional people.
अरे उसके
This
10-15
will
नंबर
not
से
stop
फोन कर रहा है
until you stop.
हाँ वो ही वेटिंग में आ रहे हैं
Hello,
सारे
it has flooding your phone lines.
बस सन्नी
to
तूने तो
prevent you
टैटू
from
करा के
scamming
रखा है हाथ
additional
पे
people.
तूने तो
This
टैटू
will
करा के
not
रखा है
stop
हाथ पे
until you stop.
हाँ करवा लेगा बाहर की बंदों का थोड़ी होगा फिर
To prevent you
वहाँ पे
from
बहुत है ना
scamming
टैटू वाले
additional people.
वहाँ पे बहुत है ना
This
टैटू
will
वाले
not stop until you stop.